blinking red.
Leave this on.
Okay.
Sweet. Hopefully my mic's plugged in.
Get that in there.
Yeah, that's gonna be my intro. Yo, what up, guys? That's funny. I know Matt just done his intro, so I might as well throw something in. We got the S1K, and the GSX 750. We'll be heading up here to this Halloween costume ride, 6 o'clock, Lexington, see what it's about. So, we're going 3 deep. I don't know how many people's going to be up there, but we're going to be the lap of the show. Not really. People's going to be in costumes, and we ain't dressing up like nothing but ourselves, so let's get to it. We're on the road. We're gonna head up here to this costume ride and see what it's all about. Matt and his brother share. Matt's brother brought his girlfriend with him, so he's tandem up right now. He's running 2s. He's riding 2 up. I guess that's what you call it. I don't know. I ain't really rode a lot of people on my back. I've rode people on a motorcycle, but I run a rear seat cow, so. Really a lot of people that been on my back. Here comes that Lamborghini. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 70 degrees right now, so it's a good day to be out riding, and I'm glad we get these days later in the year to ride. A lot of times it's cold this time of year, sometimes it's not, and thankfully we're getting these warm days to be able to ride because we love to ride. I want to try to ride all year. There's some years we've got warm days all the way up into December, really. Heck, we even got like warm days in July.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Well, obviously July. We got some warm days in January sometimes. I got this balaclava on, and I got some fuzz in my mouth, and it's kind of driving me insane. So, we're sitting here, we're looking at these bikes, we're checking it out. He's got the new winglets on, the carbon winglets, son. Check him out, check him out, check him out. It's hard to like set these cameras up at the perfect angle on a helmet every time, because when you take it off to change a battery, or you take it off to take the SD card out to upload the film, it's never the same angle when you put it back on. You can get it close, obviously, but unless you have some way of marking it, it's not the same angle. I really could use something to drink. I am thirsty. Ah, he got me. I looked, and he done the. I'm gonna get him back. I got him real good one time. Like I pointed, and he looked that way, and then when he came back, I was pointing down at my hand, and he was looking at it. And it was good. It was like the best one I've ever done. Probably the best one anybody's ever done, really. He got me with a kill switch. I got him with the key. Got him with the key switch. I flipped his key off. I don't know if I can say that. Look at what that license plate says. I don't think I can say that. You guys can say it in to yourself, I guess, because I don't really have a chat. You got a comment section, but you're just going to be typing it out, so it's not saying it. Pronounce it to yourself, and then put the pronunciation in the comments and tell me what it is. I feel like this balaclava in my helmet kind of restricts the blood flow to my head, and it kind of makes me lightheaded. I might have to take it out, take it off. She got him good. That's a good one. Got him by his own passenger. That's funny. His own woman got him. So we're going up here to the same place that we go for cars and coffee. Well, there goes a Porsche. That one's always at cars and coffee, I feel like. He don't want to smoke. Flying by us. That's funny. I like that Porsche though. It's nice. Pretty nice car. I'd love to have a Porsche GT3 RS. Porsche GT3 RS, Lamborghini Huracan. Two cars I would like to have. And I'm not seeing anybody here, which is odd. Oh wait, I see some bikes up there. What is going on here? I'm confused. I am confused on what's happening. So we only got like two bikes here right now. So I am like super thirsty.
Huh?
I said I'm super thirsty. Yeah. I've got cotton mouth out the ass.
It's like the wind or the humidity or whatever.
Yeah.
It's not even humid.
Well, I think it's also where I got like a head cold or something, you know? So like,
Yeah.
I don't know. Ain't too bad. What'd you think? Did you like my little wheelies? I'm learning. What the fuck?
It's a little.
There we go. Sometimes I can get it in there first try, and sometimes sometimes it's a little difficult. Yeah.
I like how you use your foot pegs, but no seat.
I got a seat. It's just at the house. Wow, you want to ride on it or something?
Yeah, I want to ride on it.
Why are you gay?
GSX750, S1K, S1K R7, and an MT09. Wait, that's a Z400.
God damn!